understand how I feel, bro. I say the amount of anger will build up in her, Ivany not even know what she would have get. Just know if me the buck up in her.
It is a grand Ames back with the live with Destiny. Mr. Guys, one epa passa. I say one epa passa. Please like, share, comment, and please subscribe. Bye y'all. Bye.
Youth, you know. That me I tell her she can learn.
No,
I teach
true.
more
You
than
see,
one teach her.
can't talk about people's children. Now. Children is
You talk about
innocent.
clout. Listen, I'm not for doing a blood clot clout. I wait me that way for the opportunity for blood clots here again. You think me forget nothing you say about me pitting them? You think me forget? This have nothing for doing a blood clot clout. You think me give a fuck about no clout? I want to, man.
What should they again? Design a smile.
My girl said she does some bumbo clot dental. So I'm put it in on my fucking GPS. And next 50 minutes drive that.
Go and go look what. Go suck your mama. Your woman have a good blood clot. Good work when Ivany on TikTok a big germs. Come on for this blood clot, yeah.
Hey, listen, wanna come near me out back way.
You man have a
No, 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 about
blood
blood
clot
clot me.
work.
Fuck you not talk about. No, 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 about me.
Come on for me live. Hold on, come on for this blood clot. You black me, I black. Move.
Fuck you not talk about. You think me forget not much to say about my disability, Pitney? You think, yo, this not nothing to do with clout, bro. I'm a Pitney them me a defend. I want bust up her mouth. You don't not even understand how I feel, bro. I say the amount of anger will build up in her, Ivany not even know what she would have get. Just know if me the buck up in her. And that me I tell you no.
Okay, guy. Now Miami if you gonna beat her too. Here we are. That's more being sure go get.
Hey, it take me an hour and a half to come up there, and there's an hour and a half to go back home right now. You understand? And then the address when me get a next blood clot hour. Girl, after the dentist, me know say you not go wait for me. Because
You're mute. I'm mute.
so now go wait for me because be a traffic out here in Miami. So by the time we reach to her, she got gone again. She's not going to wait for me. Why not make we just blood clot link up? Why not?
You man know when you kick out her 32 veneer.
Why not?
You man know when you lick out her 32 veneer them.
Yo, I want bust up her mouth, you see? Not even know. It's a mouth me I go for. Me not going to touch your body. Come and say I do surgery tomorrow. And your face me I go for.
No
And
put
mouth me
yourself in
want.
a mommy. No put yourself
Lick
in a
out her 32 veneer. Oh my God. I'm trying not to play myself for mighty Jesus. I know the body put her.
I talk about meet here. You want me to meet here somewhere else I get. I creep up, me the one creep up and catch her. Catch me the one catch her a while ago. I'm sorry for me never catch her.
I got afraid. She blood clot afraid. She afraid like a what? You hear me? I tell her, my girl, she afraid. She no went with her, but he might not be it.
She call police and wait and chase her. Make she go and wait and come in.
You know she better not call police and
illegal.
Fucking idiot. She a bait. Who's the real fucking bait? Who's the real blood clot?
Then she call police guy away. Them a look for immigrant down and that for send back.
Fucking fool.
Yeah, what kind of fuck she afraid?
Yo, that's you not even know some sir me never hold her. Me just want hold her.
What she come here ever
Bust up her blood clot mouth. That alone me want, you know. Just bust up her mouth, you know.
Lick out the veneer them and make good.
Oh, you gonna fix? You would do more than blood clot fixing today. Oh, you gonna have a fucking dental smile.
Like Ivany, y'all coming at people foreign, most gay people too. Y'all coming at people in country. Certain mentality where you have, you leave it at Jamaica because overseas is different. When you fight in Jamaica, they won't lock you up. But when you fight over here, they give you fucking 50 years. Like, girl,
So I came into this country legally because me know say yes, even in Jamaica you still can eat food, but when I came to this country, I see opportunity where me can do for myself. I help my family back home. So me try to find the necessary part where me can get myself legally, understand?
it's a ticky now. Tiki, me now ask Christ, as in come out, them and say, Father God, only God can cover him. Because I said to Tiki that, Tiki, if you go to DR, I can let somebody in DR help you and go to the Netherlands. No, me don't want to go to Netherlands, America, I want to go America, I want to go. Okay, fine, you go to America, you get fucked. So you know where Tiki there now? Tiki there, where Texas? Where the place them, Texas or Texas?
Texas.
Texas, Tiki there, Texas. They say Tiki can get 6 months to 1 year. Murder! Then put Tiki was blood clot state, you know? That state, they are serious blood clot state. Now they say one must be 10,000 for liar. I ready to say they still in a run joke, girl. Me say go on in the Netherlands. No, I don't want to go to the Netherlands. I want to go to America. Well, they go on there. One blood clot there.
They don't want to go to Europe. They want to go to the big state.
Sunday, me no know. A Sunday? No, he did call me one time when I know Sunday. Why you say a Sunday alone in call, pa? He call me one time when I know Sunday.
Somebody say a Bible state.
Me don't know why a Sunday. Maybe them have them Sabbath. Me don't know.
Life. So you make the step to sort yourself out in somebody's country. You understand?
Oh, somebody said no port of entry. Oh.
Because she don't come to immigration, so she not no entry.
Well, she married somebody in the army, yeah, but she never have no sense. And that's the idiot. So you see,
But I'm also destiny. You see, like how you come from Jamaica now, and you know, say XYZ. So you make yourself legally in the country because you want to be free and make something out of yourself. You understand?
I don't say me make myself legal in the country. Listen, I know why I came here.
Yeah.
Most people who go across the border, they don't know why they came to America. They just came to America because they want to come to foreign.
Yeah.
But you know, certain things in Jamaica, they are not getting no abuse. They are lying. Most of them, as they come to the border, they just come to the border because what? Them want to go foreign. To go hype up on people and go do this and that.
But destiny, when you want to go foreign, you must have a purpose where you want to go foreign.
Hold on, let me make the reason, no? Me have a valid reason why I came here.
Yeah, I understand your situation. We don't want to go deep in your situation, but I'm saying, I came to England myself.
Finish no, sweetie. Me have
Yeah.
no proof. Remember say me have a proof.
Yeah.
Me I get abused.
Yeah.
Most people them not have them reason why them come here.
Yeah.
Me abuse from my family, from stranger, from people. Me have a lot of proofs, so that make me get my asylum quicker. That make me get my asylum. Me never talk to get me asylum. But just show them the video and then give me at the same time.
Yeah, but me say you have your proof. But what I'm saying, we have like some people, they just want to go far because they think they are fine. So lifestyle that they are living.
You know, that's why I say if she go married, she have to cancel one of them. And if she cancel the asylum, then I want to know why she cancel the asylum. If you understand.
Oh, so she can't do two of them in a one. Well, she must have something in plan.
You see there, I find in I bet you could have washed up. Just go on.
You have to cancel one of them, hello? I say run, you know, baby girl. You never know.
No love, because I don't understand the American system.
It's crazy. But me I say now this a time when I pay run up and down and go and like no, you can marry, you know, but you know, easy for marry. It's not go easy for you. You can marry, but it's not going easy.
So like how she have her child over there, that child, can that child help her?
Most when you reach 18.
So she can't do nothing after the child because the child born as American citizen. So
You can't get no papers off for a child when you reach 18. 21, somebody say.
so you know that the child not been used to you at that young age.
I mean, you see, if Ivany did come legally, then maybe she'd have a little chance. You see, because she come across the border illegally,
Oh, okay. So she didn't come in. She didn't. She didn't have no stamp landing in the country, so she come illegal.
Especially come on a visa, it could have been
Yeah.
easier. Because they know that when you come on a visa, you seek asylum, it's more easy for you, to
Yeah.
get and you go to court more than anybody else. But when you come across the border illegally, because remember, any country you go illegally, they're supposed to prison you. You know that, right?
Yeah.
But the reason why them not prison them because I ask them to use the word asylum.
So she not have no landing. There's no documentation showing landing in the country.
No landing.
But she's an alien, no record of her in the country. Okay.
Can me come illegally and me get my papers quick. Me get my papers in a 4 day. Me come the 26th, me come the 24th September, me get my papers the 28th. Me get
From
I talk about blood clot Donald Trump in a play. Me say one Donald Trump pull Ivany for fling her out. Everybody internet work, your internet now work. Wall up by your foot and fling her away. Blood clot. Pussy clot fling on one blood clot suitcase back to JA. Eternal Father, bless the land. Guide us we from Motion. Outside sang on. You need to go out down the man. Go back down to swing our blood clot way. But you see man now run a joke this time. You know see man, you know see Kino still gone. You still gone, me love. You still gone with her. You still gone with her, me love. You still gone go do her body with her. You see man, I idiot. You man a real blood clot clown. You talk about you are the city, you don't have nothing to worry about. What you mean you don't have nothing to worry about? What you mean you don't have to worry about? You don't see Donald Trump ready to start a blood clot war. You come like you're blind, you talk about say you are city, you don't have nothing to worry about. Yeah, girl, come on for this alive, yeah? Come on for this alive, yeah? Come on for this alive, yeah? Come on for this blood clot live, yeah? Can you not know blood clot? The always attack you not know sense. You know make no blood clot sense. You know see what America match up. You're blind, you see what I did. Come out, calm and good and everything. All of these body money you take should have paid a lie a long time. But me know why no, I know that. You see, because them accept you in a country. You see, because them accept you in a country as an asylum seeker. You don't believe, say, the case is done. But what is the next step? What is the next step? When you get too comfortable in people in country. Because all of this money where you take and do pure foolish, you know. You know, say, could I pay one good liar and put in an asylum case and you see, and you go in front of the judge, go tell the judge why you come to America to seek asylum? You know that, girl? All of these money that you take and do pure foolish, you know that you could have paid a good lawyer and go in front of the judge and tell the judge why you come to America to seek asylum? Do you know you could have do that long time? But because they get too comfortable in the people in country, that's how not do it. And it's not you alone, you know. Enough for not do it. Because him never waste time. Him every money where him work, he make sure work the money and he make sure get a good liar. And she know the X-Man card, the X-Man, and my X-Man help her get a liar. But no, you get two blood clot comfortable. That man is not playing in your undocument. And man wipe out people undocument because me saying to you, me say when you look, which part Latin, where they say Latino then there? Me and them show one place at Florida. And them say when you look on the road clean up blood clot, all the business shop they locked down. They say when you look at the road clean, nobody know the pan road they want to see the road, all business shop they locked down, the people they locked down in business shop. Yeah, the man not play. He come like a look, you know. It come like I want to sign God a show her. Cause what you know? She and Keno in an argument. She and Taya in an argument. No, she and Tracey. Ivany cancel the body. You hear me? I tell you. Cancel the body and make a different appointment. It's a sign God a show you, no girl. You hear me? I tell you. It's a sign, you know. Me I talk about the people in the same country, Kenya, they are Jamaica. They already get comfortable in the country. They don't care.
But you can't get comfortable in a country you don't have status.
Yeah, but what's the next step? You get fucked.
So because now everybody's going to look status now because the government changed. So things come in place. So everybody maybe going to run to get married, run to do different stuff. When you do
Care. But she not going to tell the people say she care. She going to act like she not care.
yeah.
Because just believe me, of course, I would have
But
been care.
the thing is, she's earning money from different side, but because she's not working honest money like everybody else, so she don't find it necessary to think about paper. Because if you don't have paper, you can't do certain things in our country.
Yes. What you mean not working? What you mean? The woman
No,
have a work permit.
yeah, but why she's not working then?
The woman have a work permit and say she have her social.
But she's not coming out to work. She's not going out to work.
Eh?
She's not going out to work to pay tax. So what the benefit she's doing to the country?
She don't have no papers.
So, but the work permit can work, don't it?
She don't have no papers. The only thing she have a work permit and she have a social. That a what?
So she can't do nothing with that.
Paper, she have papers that travel?
Well, I don't understand the American documentation anyway. But what I'm saying is
What is papers?
well, Mister, I don't understand American system because me in the UK, if you don't have a citizenship, a status,
Me a talk about Keno, and that me a talk about a sign girl. Tree a date. I mean she a talk about if me dead at them crosses, girl, I make me dead. Girl, you a idiot. No, sir. Can't bother me love. Me can't bother girl. This is a